Hi guys, what's up? What's poppin'? It's your girl Miss Imani. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had fun doing it for you guys. This is a very simple, easy Halloween look. I am going in with the Ill Maquillage, no filter face primer right now. I'm getting my face prepped and ready because if you're not priming your face in 2020, what are you doing, sis? But guys, this look is so simple, so easy, and so easy to achieve. It's pretty much self-explanatory, so I won't be doing too much talking in this video because you can see everything. But one thing that I will share with you guys right now is just the fact that my new endeavors I'm ready to lay out on the line for you guys. So your girl is an official BoxyCharm influencer. Yes, I am a pixie beauty influencer, a pop beauty influencer, and I did my first collaboration with Il Maquillage. Your girl is being blessed. God has dropped so many blessings on her doorstep and she is utilizing them all. I am just so happy and so just thankful for the things that have been bestowed upon me. Like I'm just in awe. I don't even know what to say, guys. And then also too, because I know I took a poll on my story that you guys want to see more fashion looks from me, so I will be uploading more looks for you guys because I noticed on my channel also my fashion walls get a lot of notice when it comes to my style and what I like more, which is another thing you all said is that you guys love my feed, love my niche and everything, but you guys would like to know more personal stuff about me, which I will be sharing with you guys very, 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 very soon. So bear with me while I am on this YouTube journey and this Instagram journey of an influencer because it's so much going on and it's happening so fast. Slow progress is still progress, but then when you realize there's a lot of progress going on, it's a lot to deal with. So you guys stay tuned with the girl. So with this look, it's pretty much my normal makeup routine. So it's nothing spectacular about this part. You guys can just do your regular makeup routine like you want to, or if you're going for a more rustic, I guess that's the word to use, vibe, you don't have to do a makeup routine at all. It's pretty much just liners and lipstick. I know you guys like lipstick. Yeah, lipstick. You guys are gonna find out soon though. And I think that's, oh, it's some cotton. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this look. It's just cotton. Like, it's everything that you could find at home. And I felt like I wanted to share this look with you guys because it was so easy to achieve, and I feel like you guys can recreate this easily. So what I'm going to do now is go into the NYX Epic Ink Liner and create a button on my eye, and also go into the White Liquid Liner by NYX just to create the holes for the button. That's another thing. For my seams, I did that off camera. Sorry, my seam holes, because there was so many of them and I felt like I didn't know exactly where I wanted to place them in the beginning, but you guys will see that as soon as that comes back on the screen. And I also have put some of the quote-unquote string through the seams off camera, and I did the bulk of them on camera so you guys could just see how I placed them. Now this is just totally up to you guys where you want to place them and how you want to do them. I just wanted to do mine off camera to catch a general idea of where I wanted to place them. So for you guys coming up, I do have a Il Maquillage one look. I guess I'm saying that right, ultimately? Yeah, well, anyway, I'm using solely Il Maquillage products. I have the concealer, foundation, eyebrow pencil, lipstick, face primer, and their kabuki brush, and I really do feel like you guys need to know about Il Maquillage if you don't already. It is perfection. I took the quiz online. I never thought that a quiz could give me my perfect foundation match without me actually going into a store, but it did, and I feel like I want to share that with you guys, my honest review. So here's the part that I was talking about that I did with my lipstick. It was a Niku K 24-hour lip color in the shade red. I just went ahead and outlined that, and then I went to my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Founder, and I just shaded that in just so I can have that heart, because the paint that I had was really oily and it kept slicking off, and I didn't like that. So the lipstick that I have by Il Makiage is this Nude lipstick, and it's a semi-matte color, but I was disappointed at the way it came off, but I think it's because I forgot to wipe off my chapstick, and I think that ultimately kind of like made it really, really greasy. So I will give you guys an updated feel about how I feel on that with my next Il Makiage look. Also, to give it more depth as far as my seam lines, I went into that Nudes in New York palette again and just took a brown and I went over the lines because I really wanted it to pop for you guys and really make it look like, you know, the doll was coming to life. Granted, I am the live doll, but I really wanted to make my look come to life. So this is the part that I was talking about that I did off camera because I wanted to figure out wanting to place my buttonholes, or I guess seam holes, and my string for that. I just didn't want to do it all on camera because, as you can see, there's so many of them, and I wanted to do the bulk of the actual string work on camera for you guys, so that way you can see how I string them through, quote unquote. But I know for a fact that you guys will figure out it yourself and just play with it like I did. So I also took some highlighter and put it on my cheeks. I don't know why, but I just feel like it added an extra to the look. So you guys can probably do the same thing, but I just feel like it made it really, really cute. But guys, this is ultimately it. That's the end result of this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, comment on your girl's video, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Miss Imani E. I have so much more looks to drop for you guys. Some of my looks won't be dropping on YouTube, though. They will be on my Instagram, like I said, at Miss Imani E. So make sure you're following your girl, and I will see you guys next time. Honey, peace.